Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn about sets and subsets. Let's start with the basic. A set is a well-defined collection of objects. We usually write sets with curly braces. The objects obtained in a set are called elements. So for example, if we have fruits, our set could be, so let's use letter F to name our set. So that is F is equal to, so we have, let's name many fruits that we know. We have banana. What else? We can have pineapple. We also have grapes. What else? We can say apple and mango. So this is the set of fruits. We have banana, pineapple, grapes, apple, and mango. So let's have some other examples. So sets can be the following. Fruits, name any fruit. It can be also set of clothes. The clothes that you wear, it can be sleepwear, casual wear, formal, and many more. It can also be a school supply. It can be crayons, color pencil, ruler, and whatsoever. So these are sets. These are distinct, meaning it's exact. There's no repetition of the things that we have or the numbers that we have, letters. So this is well-defined set. Now we have here some examples for sets. Number 1, a set of numbers from 1 to 10. So let's use letter N for numbers. So we have set of numbers from 1 to 10. So what are those numbers from 1 to 10? So we have, let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So another one is a set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So we have even. So you should know what are the even numbers. So let's use E. So what are the even numbers from 1 to 10? So you have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Next thing is a set of numbers, odd numbers from 1 to 10. So odd numbers. So let's use O. Odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Another one is set of multiples of 5 from 0 up to 30. So we have here multiples. Let's use M. Multiples of 5. So you have, it includes 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so these are the multiples of 5. And lastly, we have the prime numbers from 1 to 15. Let's use P. So what are these prime numbers? These are numbers wherein the factors are 1 in itself only. So you have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and 13. So again, these are sets. Now let's talk about subsets. A subset is when every element of one set belongs to another set. Example, we have here fruit is equal to apple, banana, and orange. So all we have to do is to name another set that belongs to this set. So let's have set A. You have apple. So therefore, set A belongs to set F because apple belongs to set F. Another one, let's have banana and orange. So another one, set B belongs to set F also. Letter C, empty set or a null set. Empty set is considered as a subset of any set. Okay? And lastly, don't forget that set F belongs to set F. Set F is a subset of itself. Okay? So these are all subsets. Now let's take a look at this one. Going back to our examples a while ago, let's name some subsets for this. So you have set of numbers from 1 to 10. Let's use ABC for the subset. So let's have A. Say for example, you have 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6 belongs to set N. So therefore, it's a subset of set N. Another one, let's have 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, and 9 belongs also to set N. And letter C, 10. So set C belongs also to set of numbers from 1 to 10. So you have here another one, set of even numbers from 1 to 10. So another, let's have set of 2. Set A has 2. B, let's have 6, 8. And letter C, empty set. So these are all subsets again. Okay? For the third one, a set of odd numbers from 1 to 10. So all you have to do is to make an element or a set wherein every member should belong to the main set or the original set. 1, 3. Letter B, let's have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, everything. Set B belongs to set N. Because every set here belongs to set N. Lastly, let's have 5. Fourth example, you have set of multiples of 5 from 0 up to 30. So you have A, let's put 0, set A as 0, B, let's have 5, 15, 25. And letter C, let's have 0, 10, 20, 30. So all of these are subsets of set N. And then lastly, you have a set of prime numbers from 1 to 15. So let's have set A, 2, 3. Set B, say for example, you have 11 and 13. And set C, let's have 2, 3, 5, 7. So again, these are all subsets of the last set. So let's have these exercises. Number 1, a set R contains the colors of the rainbow. So all we have to do is to put R and then write all the colors of the rainbow. So what are those color of rainbow? We have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. So these are the colors of the rainbow. So let's have a subset. Say you have A. You just pick colors from that set. So you have orange and indigo. So set A is a subset of set R. Alright? For number 2, set S contains the even numbers between 71 to 79. Set S, so you have S. So what are the even numbers between 71 to 79? You have 72, 74, 76, 78. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. So let's have letter A again for the subset. Let's just pick or you put empty set. Set A is a subset of set S because all empty sets are subset of any set. And then lastly, you have number 3. Set C contains the letters in the word perfect. Letter C, So there should be no repetitions here. So you have P, you have E, R, F. Since E is being repeated, so you just write it once. Proceed with C and then T. So these are all the letters containing in the word perfect. You have P, E, R, F, C, T. So let's have the subset for this. Can be set with E element. Alright? So to summarize, a set is a collection of objects. A subset is a smaller set inside a bigger set. For more videos, please follow, like, and subscribe our page Math Teacher Gone. That's all for today. See you in our next lesson. Bye-bye!